How are you guys doing today? So as most of you know, my name's Maylene and I've been in the fashion industry for over 18 years. And I've also had my own brand named Dragonfly. But here I am now to also share with you some knowledge on how to start your own fashion business or some fun fashion history, tricks and tips on all of that as well. And in this little video, I'm going to share some more sort of phrases or expressions that we've used that have something to do with fashion, like the origins of it. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Today's expression is going to be dressed to the nines. To say that someone is dressed to the nines is to say that this person is dressed in an immaculate way. So basically the highest degree of perfection. But why nines? Language experts say it comes from Scotland from the 1700s, when a Scottish poet, William Hamilton, used it in one of his poems. But it is also speculated that the phrase might have actually originated from a game called Nine Pins, where 9 is the maximum score possible on any one throw. But then we also have the examples of things coming in nines, which has given it sort of a special significance, such as Cloud 9 or the whole 9 yards. And they also appear in myth and history all over the world. In Christianity, the Holy Spirit comes bearing 9 fruits and 9 gifts. The ancient Greeks had 9 muses and 9 goddesses to inspire you. In Europe in the Middle Ages, the 9 worthies from history were men of chivalry. When the word dressed was added, another theory came up, which said that tailors used 9 yards or around 8.2 meters to make a suit. Sort of like the more material you use, the more admiration you gained. There are other hypotheses, but one thing that we know for sure is that the term nines came way before the word dressed was added to the expression. All right, that was a quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody that you think might enjoy it. And please don't forget to share any comments down below. And I hope to see you again soon. Take care and see you next time. Bye. Kim. But here now I am degree. Fucking move it along.